All right, science teachers who know how to use the ExamView test builder, if you build a multiple choice test and don't use pictures, you might be able to figure it out, but I haven't. You can export this multiple choice test under File, Export, Rich Text Format. I'm going to put it in my desktop. There's Biotest. Save it. And then I'm going to close the test builder and head to the document, Biotest. Now you can add the correct answer to these by putting marks. I'm just going to do this randomly for 4 questions on these things, a little asterisk. Then you can just highlight all the questions that you want to put into a JunoPod. Hit copy. I'm going to switch over to online. I'm in JunoPods under my biology class. Here's a new one. Biotest. I'm going to say new. Now, right here, key step. Copy, import. I'm going to paste from that Word doc, and I'm going to paste as plain text. And I'm going to click import. If you'll notice, it gives me the question and separates out the choices and marks the correct one. That you can do this sort of thing. See that? Now I've got this first question here, which I no longer need. For some reason it keeps that. And then I can use the Shift button and click on all of these and make changes if I want to, such as put the questions in random order on this test, put the choices in random order, that sort of thing. And there you have a test which propagates through like this and grades itself. Thank you. Have a good day.